Do you wonder why your Roborock S7 robot vacuum gets stuck after only turning on for 15 minutes? What is the solution to this robot vacuum problem that is baffled you and you need some help with it? Don't panic, we'll solve your robot vacuum problem. Let's check how we can help. We assisted a customer with their Roborock S7 robot vacuum that was acting strangely, which started working perfectly, but then stalled and stayed in one place after 15 minutes. Then, we took over a robot vacuum to diagnose the problem, and take a look at this. When we tried to start the robot, it turned on but could not move, and the LiDAR could not spin either. After further investigation, we found that the problem was a faulty LiDAR. So, we recommend that the best solution for robot vacuum customers is a LiDAR replacement. Behold, let's peek inside this robot. Wow, it is breathtaking to see this fan suction filled with dust, and to also see how much dirt is on the robot vacuum from every angle imaginable. So we recommend deep cleaning service to restore its performance. Then we start service and repair after the customer approved the recommendations. Before returning the robot to the customer, we conduct unit testing. Tada! It is no longer just a decoration. The robot vacuum works perfectly. As soon as the customer receives the robot vacuum back, they are very satisfied with it. Are you facing similar situation? Let us be your solution.